For anyone who has not yet done a little experimenting with Bluebeam and BIM 360, here are some round trip workflows to use with studio sessions and BIM 360. Typically, once you've started your BIM 360 project and you want to use Bluebeam to do your reviews, there's two different things to think about. One would be just as an individual um, reviewing and creating markups in review. So you would navigate using the BIM 360 connector, a drive that is installed on your desk and gives you access to your projects. Navigate to the project and find the document that you need and open it up in Bluebeam. Accessing your tool chests, pick the markup tools that you're wanting to do. For this illustration, I'm going to use a cloud and just create some simple text. BIM 360 easy button. Next, all you're going to need to do is save it, and it's going to save right back to your BIM 360 project. We can watch as BIM 360 actually will update as soon as the save goes through, and it will version it. So it does maintain that version history and carries your Bluebeam markups into the project. Next, I just wanted to demonstrate how, okay, we have our document, same document, and we're going to open it up and then create a Bluebeam session and then, or a studio session rather, and import our document and save it back to the BIM 360 project and just demonstrate the behaviors as we do that. So we want to create the session, and the next thing we're going to need to do is import the documents. So we'll again use the desktop connector to go access our project and then access the document and open it up. Open our document, create a markup. The difference between the studio session and just opening a file in Bluebeam is that the studio sessions will actually create its own file. So you'll need to do a save as, and that's okay. We're going to go right back to the project, and we're going to go into our hub and the project that we were looking for, and then go back to our project files where we have the document saved and save it right over the top. We're going to keep the same file name, and that will again maintain the history of the document. So we can close out of Bluebeam and watch as it updates. See there, it goes from 6 to 7. And we can still go in there and view and compare documents. So it has maintained the version history. So we'll go in and select a couple different documents and we'll open them up and compare. One nice thing about the project files now, it does allow you to select a page. So if you've reviewed an entire sheet set, you could go in there and select which pages you want to review on the different versions. There's some increased functionality now in the project files when it comes to 2D PDFs. So we're going to go ahead and compare. And there we have our overlays. And so once the studio session is finished, other stakeholders will be able to do document compares and see, what was marked up from one version to the next. And that's it.